Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best Serger sewing machine in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Brother XM 2701 Sewing Machine. The Brother XM 2701 is a versatile and beginner-friendly sewing machine designed for a variety of everyday sewing projects. This lightweight and compact machine features 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, blind hem, and stretch stitches, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced sewists. It includes an automatic needle threader, a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, and a one-step buttonhole function, ensuring ease of use. The Brother XM 2701 comes with 6 quick-change sewing feet, including zigzag, zipper, buttonhole, button sewing, narrow hemmer, and blind stitch. Its free-arm design makes sewing cuffs, sleeves, and hems effortless. With LED lighting for enhanced visibility and an intuitive dial for stitch selection, this machine offers convenience and precision. Perfect for mending, crafting, and basic sewing tasks, the Brother XM 2701 is an affordable and reliable option backed by Brother's 25-year limited warranty. It's a great choice for hobbyists and home sewers alike. Number 9. Janum Arctic Crystal. The Janum Arctic Crystal is a stylish, beginner-friendly mechanical sewing machine designed for everyday sewing projects. With its vibrant, icy blue exterior, it adds a fun and modern touch to any sewing space. This machine features 15 built-in stitches, including straight, zigzag, and decorative stitches, along with a 4-step buttonhole function for basic garment construction. Built with a heavy-duty metal frame, the Arctic Crystal offers durability and stability while sewing. It includes an easy-to-use front-loading bobbin system, manual tension control, and a free arm for sewing cuffs, sleeves, and small projects. The reverse lever allows for reinforced stitching, while the adjustable stitch length and width provide customization options. Perfect for beginners and casual sewists, the Janum Arctic Crystal delivers reliability and ease of use. With a 25-year limited warranty, it's a great choice for crafting, alterations, and learning the art of sewing. Number 8. Singer X5004 Heavy-Duty Serger Machine. The Singer X5004 Heavy-Duty Serger is a high-performance overlock machine designed for professional quality finishes on a variety of fabrics. With its 2, 3, and 4 thread capability, this serger provides strong, durable seams, ideal for garment construction, hemming, and decorative edging. Equipped with a heavy-duty metal frame, the X5004 ensures stability and long-lasting durability. It features a high-speed motor that allows for 1,300 stitches per minute, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced sewists who need efficiency. The differential feed helps prevent stretching or puckering on different fabric types, ensuring smooth, even stitches. The machine includes color-coded lay-in threading, an adjustable cutting width, and a built-in free arm for sewing sleeves and cuffs. With 4 built-in rolled hem options, the Singer X5004 offers versatility and precision. Perfect for heavy-duty sewing projects, this serger is an excellent addition to any sewing setup. Number 7. Brother 2340 CV Cover Stitch Serger. The Brother 2340 CV Cover Stitch Serger is a specialized cover stitch machine designed to create professional, durable hems and decorative top stitching on garments. It features 2 to 3/4 thread cover stitch capabilities, allowing for triple wide and narrow cover stitches, making it ideal for hemming, binding, and reinforcing seams on stretch fabrics like knits and activewear. With its color-coded threading guide and easy looper threading system, setup is simplified, even for beginners. The differential feed adjustment ensures smooth, even stitching on a variety of fabrics, preventing stretching or puckering. The machine also offers adjustable stitch length and presser foot pressure, allowing for greater customization and control. Built for reliable, high-speed performance, the Brother 2340 CV is perfect for fashion sewing, home decor, and professional quality garment finishing. It's an excellent addition for sewists looking to achieve clean, stretchable hems with a polished, factory-like finish. Number 5. Brother CS 7000 x 70 Stitch Computerized Sewing Machine. If you prefer a computerized sewing machine but don't want all of the stitches offered on our favorite machine, then the Brothers CS7000X is another great model for beginners. Although this machine looks very similar to our overall best pick, the Brother XR9550 sewing and quilting machine, it doesn't have alphanumeric stitches or the same quilting and applique stitches. However, much of the rest of this machine's operation is identical. I think the adjustable speed slider is a great feature on this machine, and it's one that's not offered on mechanical models like our Best for Beginners machine. The speed control slider allows you to set a maximum speed, so your stitching is always controlled. This is ideal for beginners who should focus on straight, neat stitching. Both the Quick Start Guide and the user manual are great resources for threading the machine, learning the purpose of the different stitches, and understanding the presser feed. Number 6. Serger Pro-Finish 4-Thread Serger. The Serger Pro-Finish 4-Thread Serger is a versatile and efficient overlock machine designed for professional quality seams, hems, and finishes. With 2, 3, and 4-thread capability, this serger provides strong, stretchable seams, ideal for garment construction, activewear, and home decor projects. Featuring a 1,300 stitches per minute speed, the Pro-Finish allows for fast and precise sewing. The differential feed prevents fabric puckering and stretching, ensuring smooth, even stitches on a variety of materials. It includes adjustable stitch length, width, and a built-in rolled hem function, adding versatility to projects. The color-coded threading system makes setup easy, even for beginners, while the free arm provides easy access to cuffs, sleeves, and small openings. Compact yet powerful, the Serger Pro-Finish 4-Thread Serger is a great choice for sewists looking to achieve clean, durable, and professional quality finishes at home. Number 4. Brother 1034D Serger. Sergers are not designed for typical straight-stitch sewing and binding layers of fabric together. These machines are meant for finishing the edges of fabric that unravels easily, such as cotton. We let our expert, Eleanor Loft, test this machine in our lab, and she thought the Brother 1034D Serger was very effective after completing our tests. Despite sergers typically being an intimidating machine, Loft noted that this model came with 4 different color spools of thread, which made it easy to properly thread the machine and keep track of the stitch tension. Plus, the instruction manual has pictures and written instructions that make it very easy to understand which thread follows which path. Additionally, we love that this serger is equipped with differential fabric feed, which ensures that your stitching comes out even no matter the type of fabric you're working with. In addition to the standard overlock presser foot, this machine also comes with a blind stitch foot and a gathering foot, so you can easily take your skills to the next level with hidden hems and gathered sleeves. Number 3. Serger Quantum Stylus Sewing Machine. I've been testing the Serger Quantum Stylus at home for over a year, and it's an excellent sewing machine for advanced sewists who want to broaden their skills at designing clothes and quilts. This machine was also a standout model during our lab testing. We found ourselves saying, "Oh my gosh," every few minutes because of all the advanced options packed into its interface. The thread cutting button, stitch tacking button, and sliding speed adjuster all make it easier to move quickly between steps in a sewing project. I particularly love that this machine has buttons for all of its functions, rather than dials. While dials are typically fine on mechanical models, it's easy to accidentally change the stitch type by brushing against the selector knob on newer computerized options. Plus, there are dedicated buttons for your most frequently used stitches, like a left needle position straight stitch, a center needle position straight stitch, and the standard zigzag stitch. I love that the size of decorative stitches can be enlarged, so it's easier to cover larger squares and quilt patterns more efficiently. Number 2. Brother ST371 HD Sewing Machine. Heavy-duty sewing machines from Serger and Juki have gained recent popularity among hobbyists for their durable and simple designs, and this Brother sewing machine model is no exception. While this particular model is especially heavy at 18 pounds, I would still happily recommend it to my sewing students who want a simple machine for at-home projects. The Brother ST371 HD has a unique stitch selector knob located below the needle hand wheel, which I think is a great foolproof design for beginners. It ensures that the user cannot accidentally change the stitch by brushing a knob on the front of the machine or accidentally pressing a button. However, I will suggest caution to make sure you don't mix up the needle hand wheel and the knob selector since they are near each other and relatively the same size. While 37 stitches may seem limiting, This machine offers a diverse set of stitches that make it appropriate for beginners and intermediate users. The stretch stitches will be especially useful for projects using spandex and knit fabrics. Number 1. Brother XR 9550 Sewing. Despite having tested more sewing machines, the Brother XR 9550 remains our top choice because of its simplified computerized design. With 165 stitches, 8 presser feet, and an extension table, this machine is well equipped for all types of sewing. Its simple button interface makes it easy to switch between stitches, reverse stitching, and adjust stitch width or the needle position. I love the drop-in style bobbin, meaning it's located near the needle plate and easier for beginners to navigate, with a thread guide that snips away excess length. Plus, in addition to standard, functional stitches, of which there are 110, the remaining 55 stitches are alphanumeric options, so you can even try your hand at monogramming. However, there is only one font. This machine can handle both lighter cotton and higher density weaves like denim. It's easy to cycle through all the stitch options on the digital screen, which also suggests a compatible presser foot for each stitch.